Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can download any stock images from the internet and use it for yourself by removing the watermarks and removing the licensing and everything. This is done by creating a different variation of the image. You are not going to be using that same image, but like you are using AI and going to change the image completely. So keep watching this video till the end. I'll show you everything in detail. Meanwhile, do like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech-based content. So anyways, let's get started. So if we want to create a new image using an existing stock image, it's better to create a different variation so that you will not attract any copyright notices. For example, most of the images that we see online are saying licensable and copyrighted or something like that. So it's much better to choose images from websites which give it for free, or if you can't find it for free, just use it as a sample and you can upload it to ChatGPT and just ask them to create a different variation. For this instance, I'll be using this free image. This is from Magnific. So I'll show you how you can transform this image. This is not a licensable image, something like this. So I'm just using it using a simple free image to show you an example. So just drag this into ChatGPT, and here we can just type in, please read this image and give me a prompt. Okay, so what this will do is ChatGPT will read this image and it will show us the exact prompt that can be used to create this image. Okay, and we can just edit this prompt so that it will change the image completely. So we'll say give a different background color, and we can also choose what else we can add into this image. Also we'll say like add a small painting in the middle of the room. Also add a painting in the middle of the room and make it a 4K image. Okay, so that it'll be a big image. Right now this image is kind of small, so what we can do is make it a 4K image, so it'll give us a very good output. And we can just say 4K image quality without any blemishes or something like that, so that it will not have any weird spots inside the image. Okay, just go ahead and just click OK. And so ChatGPT will create us the image. It'll take some time, so I'll just get back to you once it's done. So as you can see, ChatGPT has created a brand new image in completely different format. It looks kind of similar to this, but it's much better. As you can see, there is a small painting as well, and the color of the room also has changed. So this is how you can create a different variation of stock images. It's better to not use stock images at all. You can create your own variations. So it looks kind of similar to this. And also this is a free image that I downloaded from the internet. It's not a stock, I mean it's not a licensed image. For example, if I go into this image, you can see that I can directly download this image. It's not copyrighted or anything, so this is a free image. And whereas you'll find so many images which are copyrighted as well. For example, if you go into this one, you can see this is an Adobe stock image, so you cannot use this image and create a variation. So if even if you do create a variation from these images, it's much important that you completely change the image. For example, this room looks very similar to this one, so it's very important that you swap things around. For example, remove the plants from this image. Also add another sofa to the left side. Okay, add a cat to the chair, to the right chair. So this will actually create a different variation of the image, and it will not look something similar to the image that we have on top. Okay, so we'll just wait and see how this comes out. So as you can see, the image has been generated successfully. So there is a very different variations here, and you can also change these items which is kept here. It doesn't have to look exactly the same as in the previous image. You can just swap things around. You can just talk to ChatGPT and make things up. Even I added a cat here. So this is how you can change stock images into your own version or your own kind of images. Also, you can just type in something on ChatGPT and it will also give you an amazing response. For example, you can tell them to use this prompt and create a different setup, so that you'll get a different environment completely. So this is how you can utilize stock images and create your own images. If you guys found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech based content. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.